The final question in this exam paper is about the general model of electromagnetic radiation. What the general model is, it's using the keywords transmit, emit, absorb, and reflect. That's what the general model is. So if you use 3 of those 4 keywords in the correct context here, then you would get the 3 marks. So the sun emits light, the sun is emitting light, the moon is reflecting that light is transmitted through the atmosphere, through space to us, and our eyes absorb that light. If you've said 3 of those 4 things, that's 3 marks. So the general model is just something you need to learn. These 4 keywords refer to the general model of electromagnetic radiation. The next part of this question is quite tricky. The Earth and the Moon have the same average distance from the Sun over a year, which means that on average they receive the same intensity of light. It gives us the diameter of the Moon, the diameter of the Earth, and it asks how many times more energy is transferred directly by light from the Sun to the Earth than from the Sun to the Moon. So this is a question that is appreciating the relative sizes of the 2 planets in terms of how much light they receive from the Sun, how much energy. So what we need to appreciate here is that we're interested in the area. If we model the Earth and the Moon as circles, the area of those circles. So we've been given the diameter of each, so you need to use the equation for the area of a circle. Area equals pi times the diameter squared divided by 4, which is the same as saying pi r squared. Okay, so we've just used diameter instead of radius there. So if you calculate the 2 areas and then find the ratio between them, that will tell us how much more energy is transferred directly by light from the Sun. The answer comes out as around about 13.8. There is a quicker way to work this out actually, which is to appreciate that when you're working out that ratio, the pi cancels and the 4 cancels. So we actually can just find a ratio between the 2 diameters squared. So if we do 13,000 squared divided by 3,500 squared, that will actually give us our answer down here, 13.8. And just because we've come all this way, let's have a look at the very, very final question. This would result in the Earth and the Moon having the same average temperature. Suggest why the Earth's average temperature is 15 degrees and the Moon's is 23 degrees. Well, the main difference between the Earth and the Moon is that the Earth has an atmosphere and the Sun does not. So you need to say that the Earth has an atmosphere which traps heat or keeps the Earth warm, and the Moon doesn't. Or you can talk about the greenhouse effect if you choose as well. It's only 1 mark.